Elite Media presents Itineraries of Siena, Val d'Orcia, and Val di Merse, a timeless place where history and beauty beat like a living heart. Our journey begins in Sartiano, a charming village nestled in the Tuscan hills. Rich in Etruscan heritage and authentic traditions, it invites visitors to slow down and savor its timeless character. From here, the view opens onto the Val d'Orcia and reaches Pienza, the ideal city of the Renaissance. Its harmonious squares and Renaissance palaces embody the vision of humanist architecture. But Pienza is not only a masterpiece of design. The rolling hills that surround it, dotted with vineyards and cypress trees, frame one of Tuscany's most iconic landscapes. A few kilometers away lies San Quirico d'Orcia with elegant Italian gardens and the cypress-lined hills that have become a symbol of Tuscany. We continue to Castiglione d'Orcia, watched over by its medieval fortress. From its ramparts, sweeping views stretch endlessly across the valley, telling stories of battles, legends, and the resilience of these lands. A place where nature and history meet in quiet harmony. The road then leads to Montalcino, a hilltop town celebrated around the globe for Brunello, one of Italy's most prestigious wines. But Montalcino is more than its vineyards. Its stone streets climb past towers and churches, offering glimpses of a proud medieval past. Here, history and flavor intertwine. The scent of wine cellars, the charm of ancient walls, and the rhythm of a town that has preserved its identity through the centuries. At the heart of the journey stands Siena. Piazza del Campo, the cathedral, and the Palio embody centuries of art, devotion, and tradition. Leaving the city, we reach Stigliano, a village belonging to Vicile, a land of Romanesque churches, quiet forests, and villages where silence becomes part of the landscape. Finally, Radicondoli, perched on the metalliferous hills. Here time slows down among unspoiled views. Discover all the places at Elite Media.